Here we have a pre-calculus problem. Okay, let's go to the question. One card is selected at random from a standard deck of 52 playing cards. Use a formula to find the probability of the union of the two events. We have to find probability for the event. It's given over here. That is, a card is a face or a red card. Okay, now let me assume A as the event of getting a face card. Let me write the stuff over here. And also B as the event of getting a red card. Let me write the stuff over here. Okay, now let me write the formula to get probability of the union of the two events according to the instruction we have over here. That is P of A union B equals to P of A positive, P of B negative, P of A intersection B. So this is the formula mentioned in the question. That is the formula to find probability of a union of two events A and B. And also, whenever we have union, actually it means R. That is P of we can replace this union by R. A or B equals to P of A positive, P of B negative, P of intersection means and. That is P of A and B. Okay, we know that A is the event of getting a face card and B is the event of getting red card. So what does this one mean? That is probability of getting a face card or a red card, the one that has been mentioned over here. Okay, now what we have to do is we need to find the probability of A, probability of B and probability of A and B. Probability of A means we have to get the probability of getting a face card because A represents getting a face card, and P of B represents the probability of getting a red card because B represents a red card. P of A intersection B means we have to get probability for the card which has to be face card, at the same time it has to be a red card. For that we must be knowing the 52 playing cards. Okay, now let me get all the 52 playing cards in a standard deck. Here I have displayed all the 52 playing cards in a standard deck. Okay, since there are 52 playing cards, now to get probability for each event over here, the denominator has to be 52 because whenever I find probability for a particular event, in denominator outright the total number of all possible outcomes. In this case, that is 52. Okay, now let's get probability for the event A, that is selecting a face card. Okay, face card is nothing but the card which has Jack, Queen, King. So here we have Jack, Queen, King. Here we have, and also in the third row also we have three face cards. In the fourth row also we have three face cards. So in each row we have three face cards, Jack, Queen, Queen. So in all we have 12 face cards in the standard deck of 52 playing cards. So since we find probability for getting a face card, we have tried this number of face cards in the deck of 52 cards has to be written in numerator over here. That is 12 divided by 52. Okay, for P of B, for getting probability of the event B, again the same sample space, that is 52, the number of the total number of all possible outcomes. B refers to the red card. So there is we find probability of getting a red card. Let's count the number of red cards we have in the standard deck of 52 playing cards. There are 13 red cards over here in the second row. In the fourth row, we have again 13 red cards. So in all, we have 26 red cards. We have tried 26 in numerator here, negative. P of A intersection B means card has to be a face card, at the same time it has to be a red card. So for that we have to first let me write the denominator 52. So to get probability, now let's count the number of red face cards because A refers to face card, B refers to red card. A and B means that the card has to be a face card and also red card. So the number of red face cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 red face cards. There are 6 cards which are face and also red. So we have to write 6 in numerator over here. So now we have to simplify this expression to get the probability that the selected card is a face or a red card. Okay, since we have the same denominator for all the 3 fractions we have over here, we can take 52 as a common denominator. Let me write the stuff over here. Now we can simplify the numerator, that is 12 positive 26 and negative 6. Let me write the stuff over here. 12 positive 26 and negative 6. Okay, here 26 negative 6 is 20. 20 positive 12 is 32 divided by 52. And now we should be trying to get the greatest common divisor for 32 and 52 to simplify this fraction further. I think 4 is the greatest common divisor for 32 and 52. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 4. When I do so, 32 divided by 4 is 8 and 52 divided by 4 is 13. So 8 over 13 is the probability for selecting a card that is a face or a red card.